And on the border now, a legal battle is brewing over materials used to build the U.S.-Mexico border wall. Texas officials claim the Biden administration is selling off pieces for pennies on the dollar. Attorney General Ken Paxton and Land Commissioner Don Buckingham filed motions in federal court to try to stop the sales after reports surfaced that up to half a mile of border wall sections are being sold each day. So that motion was filed after President-elect Donald Trump called on the Biden administration to stop the sales. Brandon Lewis from our Verify team joins us from the border to explain what's really being sold.
On December 16th, President-elect Donald Trump called on the Biden administration to stop selling off sections of the border wall before he takes office.
The administration is trying to sell it for 5 cents on the dollar, knowing that we're getting ready to put it up.
Several viewers reached out to ask if that's really happening. So let's verify. Our sources are the National Defense Authorization Act, the Department of Defense, and government surplus auction company GovPlanet. For years, the Department of Defense has been sitting on excess border wall materials purchased between 2017 and 2022. Last year, Republican representatives added a section to the Department of Defense's budget that required the agency to use, donate, or sell the excess materials. Congress required the materials to first go to border states or other federal agencies that are working on border projects aimed at stopping illicit human and vehicle traffic along the border of the United States with Mexico. The DoD estimates that happened to nearly 60% of the excess materials. The rest, which Texas Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick called mostly junk, was sold to the private auction company GovPlanet. So no, the Biden administration is not selling off sections of the border wall, but excess border wall supplies were either reallocated or sold off at auction based on the law. With your Verify along the U.S.-Mexico border in San Diego, I'm Brandon Lewis.